Okay, so first you want to start out with a pack of Philadelphia cream cheese, and you only need 4 ounces, so that's half of that pack. You want to make sure it's softened, and I'm going to show you why that's so important here. As you can see, my cream cheese got stuck inside my blender, and yeah, that's why it's important for your cream cheese to be softened, because you want to blend it until it's smooth. And as you can see, I was unable to do that here. Now to your cream cheese, you want to add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, and you're going to mix this together until it's combined. And once again, you just want to make sure your cream cheese is softened, because this is what happens when it's not. It all came together at the end, so I was able to still get my mixture smooth. But to avoid all of this mess here, that's what you want to do. Softened cream cheese. Now to this mixture, we are going to add a half cup of creamy peanut butter. You can use whichever brand you prefer, but just make sure it's creamy. And to that, we're going to add a half cup of milk. Now we're going to take a spatula and fold in an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and you want to make sure it's thawed. I use the extra creamy, that's the one I prefer, but you can also use the regular. Now this step is optional, but I'm just going to add a small drop of pure vanilla extract to our mixture. And as you can see, our mixture is pretty smooth and creamy, and that's the way you want it to look. Okay, so now you just want to place your mixture into a 9-inch graham cracker pie crust. You can use a store-bought one like I did, or you can make yours homemade. You can also use shortbread pie crust if you prefer. Um, but yeah, you just want to spoon this into this crust and freeze it for 4 hours.